Hello everybody, my name is Labria Broomfield. I am a junior, major in electrical engineering from Oswego, Mississippi. And for my honors college project, I will be building the robotic arm, also known as a manipulator, using LCD screen, digital sensors and analog sensors, which includes photometers, encoders, and a switch. So to start off, we have our manipulator with the wires connected from VDD or VCC ground and our inputs, but it's not connected right now, but these are the two servo motors. We also have our LCD screen that's set up right now. I can tell you what's set up with it and what pins are connected to which. So for the LCD screen, we have VCC, VSS, VDD, VO, VSS, and VDD. VSS is connected to ground, VDD is connected to the power, and VO is connected to ground. RS is connected to 2.5 on the microcontroller or the PSOC. RW is connected to 2.6, E is connected to 2.4, D is on this side, so D4 is connected to 2.0, D5 is connected to 2.1, D6 is connected to 2.2, and D7 is connected to 2.3. So AK is connected to the ground, which is over here, and the power. So A is the power and K is the ground. So this is how we got the light to set up. So now I'm going to connect our switches and the rest of our sensors. With the addition of the LCD, the PSOC. So now with the addition of the LCD, the PSOC, we're gonna add an encoder, and we're gonna use the LCD and the encoder in combination to see the different values the encoder can produce. So also with the code, we added in some values and we added in some LCD characters for print number that's going to print the from the encoder to, or the potentiometer to the LCD, and then we're going to have the LCD clear display, which is the LCD. It's going to display it. We also are going to have the get counter, which is going to get the count and everything from the actual encoder. And also we added in, for the sensors, we placed C1 and C2. C1 is at 1.6, and C2 is 1.5. And we have the switch at 1.7, and then we have the LCD at its same positions. So, and pin at 1.5. So for the top design, we also added in the quad this, which is C1 and C2 to quad A and B. We added clock 1, and then we have the switch. So then we have we still have the LCD for the top design and the ADC sequence 1. So if we add a horn to the end, we can adjust the numbers as we see, because I'm moving it pretty fast. The numbers will adjust on the LCD screen. So now we have the potentiometer on there. We have ground and VCC or VDD connected to the breadboard. We also have the middle pin, which will act as a voltage divider, plugged into 1.4 of the PSOC. So when we turn the potentiometer, you can see the different values that will show on the LCD screen. Right. So now in all, we have 2 LEDs, an encoder, potentiometer, and we also have a switch and the LCD screen connected to the PSOC.